Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro, and let me show you how to check for software updates. At first, open the settings. You can either enter updates in your search area and then click on it over here, or you can smoothly scroll all the way down through the settings, and here you'll notice system and updates. Mark it, go to software update, and here you can smoothly tap on check for updates. Now you need to have your network connection active. And it should work. Okay, so I need to make the connection working. Give me a sec. And once you've got the network connection, click here again, and you will be able to check for updates. So as you can see, it is looking for any latest version, but the software is up to date, so no need to worry. However, if there is something to install, you'll be able to do it also from this blue panel. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.